Okay, so let me ask you a question. Are you a beginner gardener and you're wanting to grow turnips for the first time? If so, sit back, relax, check out this quick 5-minute video on that exact subject, growing turnips. I've been gardening for over 4 years. This 2025 will be my 5th year gardening, and this is my first year ever growing turnips. And to be totally honest with y'all, I was a little hesitant, didn't know anything about this crop, and was actually a little worried to plant them. But these have turned out to be an incredibly easy crop to grow. Let me show you right in here. So about 6 weeks ago, I planted seeds right here, and these are all turnip plants right here. And you can see in just a short amount of time how much they have grown. They are doing so well. They are a root vegetable, so you're not seeing them come up out of the ground quite yet, but they will be soon. Now, turnips take about 10 weeks to fully mature. These are all about, like I said, about the 5 to 6 week mark, so I still got about a month left until these are ready to harvest. One thing you can do is turnip greens you can actually eat. Don't take more than 50% of the leaves off of the turnip plant, or else you're going to hurt the plant. Turnips are best grown in the 60s degree range. Down here in zone 9A, I still have time to plant another bunch of turnips. So that's what we're going to show you in this video real quick, how I plant the seeds to get turnip greens that look like that. And then in a month from now, turnips that are just going to be super exciting to eat. So I'm going to plant the turnips right here in this bed, right in this range. A month ago, I planted some lettuce in this area that just haven't taken off. So I'm going to plant the turnips in the exact same area, utilizing my limited beds here, and get these growing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is create the rows. I'm going to go about 1/2 inch deep, and then I'm going to come back over with my mixture of blood meal and bone meal. And again, all that does is just help amend that soil and give the roots and the plants just an extra bonus jump start once they start growing. Now, as you can see, turnip seeds are really small. I'm going to space these out about 1.5 inches apart. Okay, so the very last thing you saw me do right there was cover the seeds back up. I don't ever pack them down, I just cover them up, and then I'm going to come back over with water and really water those seeds in for that initial watering. So yeah, that's all there is to it, to growing your turnips. Now make sure that you're looking at the back of the package and you're planting according to your zone. Down here in zone 9A, like I mentioned, I still have time to grow more turnips. So if you're up north and you've already gotten your frost dates and everything and you have to wait till spring, look on the back of the packet to make sure that you're planting in spring according to what the packet says for your zone. And that's really as easy as it is to grow your own turnips. Make sure you keep them good and watered throughout your growing cycle, and do some succession planting. That way you can constantly have a new batch of your turnips. If y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, do me the 3 favors. Share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. I would love to have all of you who have not subscribed join all of us here on this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Take care, God bless, continue to shine bright, harvest hard, plant your turnips, have some fun, and if you've never grown them before, give them a shot. They might become your favorite crop. Talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.